everyone, Katarina Kitty Cat here, and welcome to Meow Meow Messages. Alright, so this is just going to be a very quick message because I'm just wanting to notify you all that if you're wondering why you're probably not going to see anything uploaded for a while, it's because of our trip to Ohio. There's still going to be plenty of stuff being produced, but I just can't release it until after the trip because I'm going to be way too busy. But I mean, I'm still working on Margaret Tiger's Neighborhood, and I'm also working on some newer content related to the trip, and I might still do my Meow Meow messages to keep you updated on how things are going. And of course I have my Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 stuff to make too. So this is going to create a backload of work once I get back from vacation. But it's all for you guys, so I can't really complain, Meow Meow. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next week, Meow Meow.